Hello everyone and welcome back to my subscribers. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to like and share the video. In this video I'm going to show you a new magazine upgrade for the Smith Wesson M&P Compact. Now this upgrade is very similar to the full-size version that you see here. This magazine upgrade consists of a aluminum base pad, a new follower spring, and this will get you 18 rounds in the magazine and one in the chamber. So that's for the full-size version. Now the compact version is going to be a new base pad, spring, follower, and wrench for a set screw for the base pad. Now with this base pad here, this magazine kit, you're going to get 16 plus 1 in the gun. So it'll be 16 in the mag, 1 in the gun itself. It installs very simply, and just like the 14 plus 1 magazine kit, which is no base pad at all, just a follower and spring, where you can get 14 in the M&P Compact 22. For a lot larger variety of videos, gun videos, and do-it-yourself stuff, and a lot more detail than I can show here, please visit NicTaylor00 on gunstreamer.com. It's another video hosting website that's more gun-friendly, if you will. There's 16 rounds in the magazine, seat away, and there we go. That's the 16 plus 1 magazine kit for the M&P Compact. Long awaited. Lot of questions for this one, when this one's coming out, and here it is. As always, don't forget to support us at TaylorTacticalSupply.com. Thanks and have a great day.